Welcome to Droppy, your trusted channel for verified crypto airdrops and real Web3 earning opportunities. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss the next big drop. Today, we're exploring 3DOS, a cutting-edge DePIN project on the Sway blockchain that's building the world's largest decentralized manufacturing network, starting with on-demand global 3D printing. Here's what makes 3DOS truly stand out. You can power the network right from your browser using their AI node via a simple Chrome extension. The best part? Their airdrop is confirmed and completely zero cost to participate. Users earn points that will convert into 3DOS tokens once the token generation event launches. It's live now on the Sway network, so you can start mining and earning today. Here's how to join in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Head to the official 3DOS dashboard and sign up with your email or Google account. Step 2. Generate your API key and install the 3DOS Chrome extension. Step 3. Paste your API key into the extension and activate your node. Step 4. Complete social tasks like following on X, joining Discord, and retweeting to earn bonus points. Step 5. Keep your node running, points update roughly every 3 hours. Plus, earn even more by referring friends. Why is this so powerful? It's totally free, no tokens to buy, no expensive hardware needed. It runs seamlessly in your browser, so you can earn while you work, relax, or sleep. And you're getting in early on a brand new DePIN wave on Sway, where early adopters often see the biggest rewards. One last tip. Stay active and keep an eye on community channels for surprise bonus tasks. Some rewards drop without warning. Ready to start? Click the link in the description, create your 3DOS account, run your node, and start stacking points today. And don't go just yet, watch our recommended video next to keep growing your airdrop portfolio with more live opportunities. Thanks for watching Droppy. We'll see you in the next drop.